Gravitational waves, listening to the universe. Gravitational waves are one of the most extraordinary discoveries in modern science. These ripples in the fabric of spacetime were first predicted by Albert Einstein over a century ago, as part of his general theory of relativity. But it wasn't until 2015 that scientists finally detected them directly. Think of gravitational waves as cosmic vibrations created by some of the most energetic events in the universe, like the collision of black holes or neutron stars. They offer a whole new way to observe the cosmos. What makes gravitational waves so exciting is that they allow you to listen to the universe, not just see it. Traditional astronomy relies on light, whether it's visible, infrared, or X-rays, but gravitational waves are entirely different. They're caused by massive objects accelerating and distorting space-time itself. When these waves pass through Earth, they stretch and compress space at an almost imperceptible level. Instruments like LIGO and Virgo are so sensitive that they can detect changes smaller than the width of a proton. The first detection of gravitational waves came from two black holes merging over 1 billion light-years away. The energy released during that collision was immense, briefly outshining all the stars in the observable universe combined. This groundbreaking discovery not only confirmed Einstein's theory but also opened a new chapter in astrophysics. Suddenly you could study events that would otherwise be invisible, like the lives and deaths of black holes. Gravitational wave astronomy is still in its early stages, but it's already transforming how we understand the universe. It's helping scientists map the behavior of extreme objects, uncover hidden cosmic phenomena, and even test fundamental laws of physics. Every new detection adds to the story of how the universe evolves and interacts. It's incredible to think that we now have a tool to listen to the echoes of some of the most dramatic events in the cosmos, giving us a deeper connection to the universe than ever before.